Today we are going to be discussing technique number 1 of how to stamp over gel. So 10% of the gel is still tacky after you cure it. That is normal. That 10% is called an inhibition layer, and that tacky layer works as adhesive so that way the next gel layer can bind to each other. So we are actually going to wipe away that sticky layer. I'm going to use rubbing alcohol on my cotton pad. So we're just going to wipe that away. And now there's no tacky layer and it's still nice and smooth. So let's jump into stamping. So after you apply your color, you can wipe away the inhibition layer, aka the sticky layer, and directly stamp over your base. And this is technique number 1.